Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn, how can we join multiple table in Laravel 5.8 framework. There are many video published on Laravel 5.8, but in all video we have fetched data from single table, then some viewers has asked how to join multiple table in Laravel 5.8 framework. So, here we have published this video tutorial of Laravel 5.8 framework, in which we will join 3 table, and display data on web page in table format. Now let's start discussing this topic. So here we have testing database, in which we have 3 table like country, state and city. In all table we have insert some data. In city table, city ID primary key, and state ID is foreign key for join table. Same way in state table, state ID is primary key and country ID is foreign key. So, we will join this 3 table, and display all city with state name and country name. This is our Laravel 5.8 application folder. Here we have already make database connection, so if you have not know how to make database, then you have to seen our previous video. First we want to make one controller, so we have go to command prompt and write this command. It will make join table controller. So, we have open join table controller. Here first we have write use statement with database class. It will help to do database operation. Under this controller, first we have create index method. It is root method of this controller. Under this method, we have write $data variable is equal to database class, with table method, and under this we have write city table name. It will make select star from city table. After this, we have join method for inner join table, with 4 argument. In first argument we have write state, in second argument we have write state.state ID, in third argument we have write is equal to, and in last argument we have write city.state ID. This method will inner join query like select star from city table inner join state, on state.state ID is equal to city.state ID. For join third country table, here we have again write join method, with 4 argument. In first argument we have write country table name, second argument we have write country.country ID, in third argument we have write is equal to, and in last argument we have write state.country ID. This method will make query like select star from city table inner join state, on state.state ID is equal to city.state ID, inner join country table on country.country ID is equal to state.country ID. For select particular column name, here we have write select method, and under this we have write table column like country.country name, state.state name and city.city name table column. It will make select query like select country.country name, state.state name, city.city name table column from city table inner join, state table on state.state ID is equal to city.state ID, inner join country, on country.country ID is equal to state.country ID. Lastly, here at get method, it will execute query, and return data in array format, which will be stored under $data variable. Now here we have write return statement, with view method with two argument like join table, and in second argument we have write compact method, and under this we have write data. Now we have go to join table.blade.php file, and here we have first create table with three table column like country, state, and city. For fill data under this table, here we have write at the rate for each, and under condition we have write $data as $row variable. By using this loop it will fetch data from $data variable. First we want to close this loop. For this here we have write at the rate end for each loop. Between this loop, we have first write open and close table row, with three blank table data tag. In first we want to print country name, so here we have write expression, and between this we have write $row variable with country name table column. In second column, we want to print state name, so here we have write expression, and between this we have write $row variable with state name table column. In third column, we want to print city name, so here we have write Laravel expression, and between this we have write $row variable with city name. It will fill this table data get from multiple join table. Lastly, we want to make root of join table controller, so we have roots folder web.php file. Here we have write root class with get method with two argument. In first argument we have write join table, and second argument we have write join table controller at the rate index. It will called index method. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see in URL, we have write base URL / join table, then it has load web page on web page. Here we can see data city data with state and country name in table format. This data has been come from three different table like country, state, and city table. So, this way we can join multiple table in Laravel 5.8 framework, and display multiple inner join table data on web page. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.